אתה לוקח אותו קדימה, לא את שניהם, רק אחד, מנוע. קח אותו, תחזיק אותו ככה, אוקיי? תניע, תלחץ, תהיה מוכן? קדימה. עכשיו אוזניות 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3
You can hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear here. 1, 2, 3 Okay, now we're ready for the right engine start. Okay, I would like you to hold the mixture, crank to the right, the other side, let it spin. When it starts, push it forward. Push it forward. Let go. Okay, let me try it again. Alright, looks like we have a successful start. Let's go ahead and look at the checklist. It's going to tell you to look at the oil pressure. It's going to tell you to look at the oil pressure on both engines. So make sure it's on the green.
Where is it? Where's the oil pressure?
Oil pressure is right there. Oil pressure, and then the left engine too. Make sure it's on the green. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, what else is on the checklist?
Okay, number 2 engine, light is required.
Okay, lights, I'd like to put all the lights on so everybody knows the Seneca is coming out of the ramp. Next on the checklist? Mixture is rich.
Fuel pumps.
Fuel pumps are on, right there, keep them on.
Those, right?
Yep. Can you talk to the microphone?
Which one?
1, 2, 3, talk.
This one?
Oh, okay.
Of course, Keith.
This is the fuel pump, right there. Keep them on, you're good.
7, northwest of fuel 8 is Lima.
Alright, next on the checklist?
Flaps 301.
Flaps are 0 for takeoff, they're up.
Thanks, 301 Charlie.
What's the flaps?
Flaps are here, this handle. One flick. Look to your left, you see over there on the wing, on the trailing edge of the wing, you see that thing going down and up?
0 public tower, hold short.
You see?
Straight out.
I know. Look over there.
Hey, hold short only
You
one.
see?
The one here in the bottom, Woody.
You see on the back of the wing, you see it going up and down? These are the flaps.
Okay, צריך להיות למטה?
It needs to go flaps up, which is the handle down. Okay?
Okay, heat, vent, defrost.
We're good, we're very comfortable. I like this temperature. We're good.
Dice. Electric test. Dice. This.
De-ice is not required.
Okay, avionics.
Avionics are on.
Where is the avionics?
Remember master radio?
Yeah.
That's avionics.
XPDR.
Transponder right there. Put it on altitude right there. ALT 1200. It's good.
ATIS.
ATIS is a frequency for the weather. Okay? We're going to twist 2665. And that's going to give us the weather.
Advise Republic Town initial contact, you have information, Lima.
We're going to write it down, okay? Whatever they say.
Public Airport information, Lima 1453 Zulu, weather observation, wind 03010, visibility 10, few clouds 7,000, temperature 10, dew point 00, altimeter 3042. Visual approach in use, landing departing runway 1. IFR departures, advise ground control for taxi that you or IFR read back all runway hold short instructions, read back all runway assignments. Advise Republic Town initial contact, you have information, Lima.
Okay, basically, what we heard, what we talked about earlier on Charlie, it's Lima.
Departure frequency
okay?
25.
This is your weather. Using runway 1, altimeter 3042, which is right here. We're going to set it right there on the window. And using runway 1, and we have to call on initial contact information, Lima. So, you ready? Let's practice.
Now 7A, read back correct.
Republic ground,
Republic ground,
Seneca 40702, information Lima,
Lima,
Echo ramp,
Echo ramp,
ready to taxi, northbound departure. Push the talk here, push the talk, and say it.
Again, Republic ground,
Republic ground,
40702.
let's write it down.
Information Lima,
Republic
ready to taxi, northbound departure.
Seneca 40702,
Republic
Echo ramp,
820 Juliet Alpha at
information Lima, ready to taxi,
820 Alpha, sorry, Deutsche at Charlie, right.
northbound departure.
Got taxi runway 1 via Alpha.
Republic ground, Seneca 40702, Echo ramp. Let me give you the page. Echo ramp, information Lima, ready to taxi, northbound departure.
Republic ground, Seneca 40702, Echo ramp, Info Lima, ready to taxi, northbound departure.
Ready? Push the talk to talk.
Republic ground, Seneca 40702, Echo ramp, information Lima, ready to taxi, north departure.
Seneca 40702, public ground, taxi runway 1 via Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo, runway 1.
Alpha Bravo,
Runway 1.
runway 1,
702.
702.
Okay. Very good.
תגיד לי, האיירפורט ששלחת לי זה...
He's good on the radio.
האיירפורט ששלחת לי זה האיירפורט, שאני אעשה לו טקסט לבן.
Yeah, you can text him the address. Yeah, no problem. Okay, you ready? Hand on the throttle. We're going to start taxiing this aircraft. Just keep the hand on the throttle, let go of the brakes. Let's go ahead and move to the right. Push on the right pedal. Can you reach the pedals? Tap a little bit on the right brake. And you'll watch the yellow line. That yellow line has to stay right between your feet, just like so.
וואנה, חם פה במטוס, דורון.
There you go. Don't worry, we're going to climb up and cool it off for you. A little bit throttle back. That's a good speed you want, okay? You see the yellow line? Right between your feet. Very nice. Nice and easy. You're going to get the feel for it as you're moving along. Nice and easy. We're going to make a left here. Very nice. And we're going to make a right on Alpha. Right there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very nice. Make it right up here. Helping you a little bit. When you see Bravo, push it. Keep it just about 900 RPM. Right there. Perfect. That's where you want it. Excellent. What?
תן לכוון את המטוס.
Okay, we gotta be quiet. The captain is focusing here.
אל תעזור לי עם הפטל.
Nope, not touching anything, told you.
אני שם אותך על הקו ישר כמו סרגל,
It's all you. We're gonna make a right turn up here on Bravo, okay? See that right turn? Gotta make a right turn here, which is Bravo. Very nice. Excellent. And we're going to maintain Bravo all the way to the departure end. Alright? Looking good. Need my sunglasses.
And Republic ground, good morning. This is Warrior 41669 Atlantic with Lima.
Warrior 41669 ground, taxi runway 1 via Bravo.
Runway 1 via Bravo for 41669. And sir, for planning purposes, we're going to be just taking off, departing to the north practice area. Then we're going to head back, do a touch and go, south practice area, and do each practice area twice.
669, that's going to be too long to coordinate. Just when you're in the north practice area, you got to call us to come back in, so just make your request with tower.
Alright, we'll do it, 41669.
איפה?
Public Tower, Seneca 40702. We'll be holding short runway 1 at Bravo, ready for takeoff, northbound departure.
Seneca 40702, Public Tower, without delay, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Expedite departure, no delay, clear for takeoff, runway 1, Seneca 702. Clear on the right. Put your hand on the throttle. He wants us out of here, so we're going to be ready for takeoff as we get to the departure end. And you're going to make a left here and take the aircraft. Oops, your glasses. Don't hang him anywhere because it tends to fly when you're on takeoff. All right, you ready? Let's get that throttle. Put your hand on the throttle. Take it all the way up to full. All right, hold it right there. Very nice. Stay on the center line. Hand on the throttle. Put your hand on the throttle right there. Excellent. All right, nice and easy. Bring that nose up. Nice and easy. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Very nice. Put your hand on the landing gear. Pull and bring it up. Pull and bring it up. Pull out and bring it up.
I did.
Pull it out and bring it up.
Ah, okay.
Okay? Landing gear is coming up.
עכשיו, אנחנו צריכים ללכת נורד, נכון?
Northbound, yeah, you're good. You're going right towards those stacks. You see the 4 stacks over there? It's a little bit to the right of,
Republic Tower, Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, short runway 1.
You got the airplane? You're good?
Cessna 820, Juliet Alpha, Public Tower, runway 1.
Right?
Line up and wait.
Straight ahead.
We're going to 3, right?
Wait, runway
34.
0 Juliet Alpha.
What's 34?
3,400 feet, the way
Oh, the altitude? 35's good.
35.
Yeah, 35's good.
0702, you have that Cessna ahead of you in sight?
Affirmative, we got the Cessna in sight. We'll be overpassing from the right side, 702.
Okay, thanks. And 738 Mike Echo, you have a Seneca behind you. He's going to pass off your right side.
Okay, Roger, 8 Mike Echo.
7 Alpha Delta, this left turn coming.
Stay right there.
To the Atlantic
Keep an eye on that traffic. You see that Cessna over there?
7 Alpha Delta.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Cessna 820, Juliet Alpha, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Yep, he's right there. Keep an eye on him. He's no factor. He's gonna.
But he's very slow.
Yeah, he's very slow because we're, doing 130 and he's about 70, so we're good. No problem.
תביא לי מטוס עם 3 מנועים.
206 Tango Delta Alpha spot, I'd like to go back to Atlantic, please.
ראית למה אודי?
Tango Delta, if you'd like, you can proceed to
אנחנו צריכים ג'ט, אנחנו לא יכולים איזה הורגות את זה.
aircraft southbound on Bravo.
זה יהרוג את וואלה אייזיק. וואלה אייזיק הוא רציני. עכשיו משהו אמר, תביא לי מטוס עם 3.
One to the ramp. Just give
הוא הולך להיות טייס.
Unless you want to go cut the corner, you can do that as well. There's a hawker holding short full length.
Okay, cover that, 60 days.
יאללה דורון, פתח לו את הטורבו, תן לו לצאת מפה.
אוקיי, טוב.
Flight 9, vertical departure on 1.
Flight 9, Public Tower, hold short, working on your release.
Hold short, down the flight.
אתה צריך ללמד אותי על זה.
Yeah. Slowly. Let's fly the plane. Let's make sure there's no traffic.
איך אני נוסע הכיוון?
It's about the heading of right there, but let's
לעקוב אחרי החץ?
yeah, but
איך אתה עוקב אחרי החץ הזה?
let's look outside. Not
He's going to
not
hold
there yet.
show the
Let's look
Bravo
outside for
back away
traffic.
at
Let's pick
68.
a point out there about right there. Turn left.
Going to move now. Ground's trying to get him to move up a little bit.
Thank you, your pal.
Stay right there, just like so. Excellent. But this heading is perfect.
You're following that...
Yep, follow that triangle.
That triangle.
Yep, look outside,
He
find a
looks like
good
he's going
point.
to go to the Atlantic ramp. He'll go behind the jet. Cessna to your left is going to go behind you. Flight 9, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, just watch that Cessna to your left on the power. He's going to go behind you into the ramp.
Give
Delta,
me
the
an,
Walker to your left there is wherever you taxi around him into the
give me
ramp.
an airplane with 3 engines.
Delta, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay. 6TD going to Atlantic or Hangar 41?
Oh, that's a good one.
Atlantic, sir. Right, taxi into Atlantic. And the Town Flight 9 helicopter to your left is going to go behind you also into the Atlantic ramp.
Right, sir, Town Flight 9.
Alright, we're gonna level off at 3,500.
35.
Yep.
Port 669 just told there, the Hawk is going to depart.
Copy that, 41669.
Town Flight 9, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Talon Flight 9.
West Hamptons?
This is the North Shore of Long Island. Long Island North Shore.
איך זה נשאר קבוע עכשיו ב3.5?
Let go of the controls, let's see.
No.
Okay, it's a little bit heavy. So over here, bring it up like this. That's it. Make sure it doesn't go up too much. Back down a little bit.
תן לי לעשות עוד...
Both of them at the same time. Both of them at the same time.
Clear for takeoff.
A little bit back to the right here. A little bit to the right.
Flight 9, contact departure, have a good flight.
Departure, we'll see you, Talon Flight 9.
מה זה אלה?
Turbo. Manual turbo.
מנואל?
פותח לך את הטורבו שתתחיל לטוס על 160.
A little bit of turbo. Above 3,000 feet, if you want to increase your manifold pressure, you can turn clockwise those manual turbos, and you can go a little bit faster by increasing the power, manifold pressure. Alright, you see how you're still climbing?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can exactly get that altitude.
Yeah, but I think the flap on the right side is up.
No, it's not. It's good.
It's little half an inch up from the...
Well, this is the aileron, you see?
Yeah.
This is the aileron. That's fine, yeah. Flaps are fine. No problem.
שלא תרטיב את הרגליים. But doesn't he have to follow the pink line on the GPS?
Yeah, generally, but we got Class Bravo here, so I want to make sure we're clear Class Bravo as we're...
What is Class Bravo? The height?
Class Bravo is a big airspace, okay? The B stands for big, you know. LaGuardia, Kennedy, Newark, that's Class Bravo. You don't want to get into that airspace without a clearance.
Correct.
So what we're doing is staying away from it.
So we're getting away from that.
That's right. We're staying about 5 miles to the east of it. Let go of the control, Rudy. Let me see. You see how the airplane wants to go up? We need to push this.
אני מושך, הוא לא עובד.
I'll help you here. Let me see.
הוא לא עובד.
Let me see.
אני שולט על זה.
Hold on. Let me see something. You want to be able to trim the airplane.
Yeah, you have to trim it, but
yeah, trim it so...
Do here too.
Exactly. You want to trim it so it flies itself, hands off. It's going to make your life much easier. How's that now?
This is for the tip and this is for the side, right?
Yep. It's much better now. Feels much better, right? Left and right, up and down. That's what you're using. You feel what it's doing?
Traffic Tower, Seneca 138, holding short of runway 1, ready for departure.
9138, Celtic Tower, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, next 4138.
So once you have everything even, it should fly on its own, right?
Yeah, it flies almost by itself. Now you can turn the autopilot on if you want. You can select...
Where is it?
Right?
Where's the autopilot?
Over here. Okay, looks like you brought it up. Hold on, let me see. Alright, you want to be able to return it back to the normal position after you put the switch on. Okay, now you're good. Okay, go ahead and select autopilot on. Select heading mode. And select altitude. There you go. Now you should be able to hold your altitude and your heading. And we can start going a little bit towards the left. On course.
Where's the destination? Why you
you guys wanted to go some cross country.
Why are you moving to the left, Don? Based on
this, yeah. I'm looking at that track. You see that track? This is the road.
Yes.
To your destination.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is I'm moving it to the left as necessary.
Why to the left? Because you have to be on the road.
To be on the road. That's the line. Exactly. The line is the road to your destination. Okay. A little bit to the right.
Kalati.
Oh, you got it. Perfect.
How many miles we're making? Are we at 160 or not yet?
We got about, you're going to, where you wanted to go to Syracuse, right? Okay, Syracuse. We're going up 160, about an hour. Just about an hour, yeah. Okay, now try not to over-control, because if you go left and right and left, you're going to be all over the place. So let's pick a heading and see what the airplane does based on that heading. Yep, this is nice. Good. Yep, this is good.
Okay,
looks like we got traffic at 11 o'clock below us. Let's look out there at 11 o'clock, and there's one to the right of us also.
I see one here.
You see on the TCAS, it shows you all the traffic. Yep, shows you all the traffic. So let's keep an eye on it.
It's on the same line as us.
What's that?
It's the same line as us.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. So we're gonna look, make sure.
You
got him? Okay, that's the traffic. He's going into Westchester County, right there, you see? That's a jet.
Is minus 1,500 feet below us.
Yep.
Correct?
Yep, he's descending. He's going in for landing.
1,500 below us, right?
1,500 below us. 1.5 times 100 is 1,500.
How am I?
2.7 times 100 is 2,700.
יאללה!
גדול אתה!
יאללה ולתרבוקה! טוב, אני קופץ, אני הולך רגע לשתות מה שאני כבר חוזר.
Drink it here.
אתה רוצה מים? We're going very fast, that's good.
Yeah, we're moving pretty nicely, yeah.
Nicely. איזה אחוזות פה, אודי! אודי, תראה איזה אחוזות פה, אתה תמות.
Okay, what we're gonna do now is actually... I think you push the disconnect button, autopilot disconnect button. So make sure when you put the headset, don't put it on the control switches. Okay, we're good now. Yeah, you don't want that, no. You don't want that. Don't touch the... If you got the autopilot on, don't touch any of those buttons. If you touch it, it's going to disconnect the autopilot, okay? Okay, so don't touch any of those buttons now the autopilot's on.
All right.
You good? Let's recline. Let's recline. How's that? Better now?
כן, יאללה, יופי.
Much nicer, right?
כן,
more
סבבה. עכשיו תביא קפה.
דלק.
תודה. מה זה, קפה שחור?
אבל אודי,
יש חלב?
אודי,
יצחק!
אתה יודע שאיך הוא אמר לך את זה בסוף?
יצחק, תגיד לנדיה שתביא חלב קצת. הקפה שחור דלק.
באמת קפה שחור?
קפה שחור אסואד.
אין חלב, יש לי לך חלב לבד. טוב שלא הבאת פרה איתך במטוס.
What if he likes it black? I don't know. I got him a cup of coffee. I want to make sure. It's milk, yeah.
Oh, that's milk.
Yeah, milk. If you like it, milk, put milk. Whatever you want.
תודה נשמה.
אין bad man.
סימפו. יש סוכר?
יש סוכר, יש הכל.
חזק אתה.
תגיד לי מתי די.
לחיים.
יוהו! עולה!
עכשיו תגיד לי איפה אנחנו? קנטיקט, ההדסון...
עכשיו אנחנו upstate, Westchester County. Westchester County.
יצחק! דנקין דונלדס בבקשה לטייס. למה אני ב4,000 גובה מעבר לחסדם?
אהבת את זה, אבל להביא את ג'ול בחזרה יום שני.
קאמבק.
תביא לו דונט, תביא לו.
איזה דונט?
דנקין דונלדס.
לא יודע, תביא לו דונט, רוצה דונט. תן לו דונט. לא קר, נכון? סבבה.
מאוד, נעים מאוד. אם אודי יוריד חולצה זה טוב. בוא'נה, היה יום שמש יפה, תראה נהיה עננים.
Yeah, more clouds here. We may have to, change our altitude, but for now we're good. We're in the clear, so that's good.
Republic Tower, أحمر وأبيض جاية. בוא'נה, המטוס הזה לא נוח פה מאחורה בכלל.
האמצעי יותר נוח? המושב האמצעי?
האמצעי, אבל אודי...
לא, אתה צריך.
אי אפשר, יש לי את הדברים האלו אחורה. יש לי, תודה. הבריאות לחיים, מה? רק בריאות בעזרת השם.
במטוס שנקנה יש מקום לשים את הקפה?
זה הדבר ראשון שאנחנו נבדוק, שיש מקום לקפה. אין מקום לקפה, אנחנו עושים לו קאפ הולדר.
תחזיק לך אותו.
Republic Tower, Seneca 40702, Information Lima.
לא, אבל אתה לא צריך רפבליק טאוור, תראה מה...
אנחנו, עכשיו זה ריפבליק טאוור שאתה באוויר, אנחנו רק מתאמנים. אבל כשנגיע לשם צריך להגיד להם, מה אומרים להם? Syracuse Tower?
זה Class Charlie.
Class Charlie.
Syracuse approach. Syracuse approach.
Syracuse approach.
Seneca 40702.
Syracuse approach, Seneca 40702.
20 miles miles to the south.
20 miles to the south.
Information Lima.
רק רגע, למה 20 miles to the south? אני צריך ללמוד...
We're going to call when we're 20 miles. We're not going to call now because it's too early.
אבל why to the south if we're going north?
We're going north. We're going to call 20 miles south of them.
אהה.
We're going to be south of Syracuse. Going north.
זה מה שאתה צריך ללמוד, אוקיי.
Slowly. You're going to learn it all. Slowly. Syracuse, approach. Seneca 4072, 20 miles to the south. Information Charlie.
not Lima?
Whatever it is. We're going to check the weather when we get closer.
אמרו לנו לימה, נשאר בלימה.
No, Lima is in Republic.
אז אולי זה גם שם לימה.
It could be Lima over there too, but let's wait and see.
אז תמיד זה צ'ארלי.
It depends. It could be Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo. Could be a lot of things. Depends on what we're going to get when we get closer. We're still too far, so we don't really know yet.
Syracuse approach. Seneca 40702. 20 miles to the south.
20 miles to the south. Information Charlie. Inbound landing.
40702, copy. 40702, thank you.
He's going to say Seneca 40702, squawk, 1314, ident. You're going to go on the transponder, and you're going to squawk, whatever he says. That's in order for the air traffic control.
אז אני עונה לו, Seneca 40702, 1200. כן?
No, you're gonna
שכתוב פה אני צריך להגיד לו?
whatever he tells you, that's where you're gonna put on the window.
Okay.
If he says 1343, you're gonna put 1343. Now it's 1200. 1200 is a code for VFR flying. Any airplane that's cruising VFR and looking outside and seeing and avoiding traffic is squawking 1200. Any aircraft that's identified, you okay? Identified on the radar as IFR traffic or VFR flight following has a discrete code, which is a special code where the air traffic control can see that code on the radar.
זה extra, נכון?
That's extra, just in case. And I recommend
so we have to learn how to...
I recommend you buy...
you have to get this too, no?
I recommend you buy one of those too for yourself.
Okay, now look at that. There's an airport coming up, right?
Yeah, that's Stewart International Airport right there to your left.
Are we gonna talk to them?
We can if you want.
יא סלאם, אייזק, איך קלטת את זה?
We can if you want, but the height of Stewart Airport is 3,000 feet. What is your altitude, Captain?
That's 47.5.
No.
37.5.
37.5. So you're cruising above them. You can give them a courtesy call, you're above the airport, 3,700, blah, 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 or you can just continue flying. But you have to make sure any of those airspace, you don't go into their airspace.
So how will you notify them?
You're going to go on their frequency. I'll show you.
How do you know their frequency? Each one have a different...
You can look at the sectional chart. And you can look on the GPS. Their frequency is 121.0. Stewart Tower, good afternoon. Seneca 40702.
Seneca 40702, Stewart Tower.
Yes, sir. Give me a heads up. We're going to be overflying the airport at 3,700, maneuvering to the northwest. We're about 6 miles to the southeast.
Seneca 702, Roger, Stewart, altimeter 3043.
How do you say
3044 702, thank you.
How do you say 6 miles from them?
Okay, this is a 5-mile ring, and we're a little bit outside, which is 6. So we just gave Stewart a call and told him we're overflying them. So now they know we're here.
5 miles the circle.
The circle here for Class Delta is 5 miles.
It's almost 5 miles. Okay, so it was a little bit more, so it's a 6
A
miles.
little bit extra, so I made it 6. You see, he's asking because he wants to know what to say, which makes sense. How do you know where you are? Well, you're looking at the chart, you're looking at the navigation instrument, and you can tell.
So all the radius is always 5
For
miles.
Class Delta.
Oh, Class Delta, yeah.
Correct. Since you're talking about classes of airspace, what I would like to do is open up a chart of you so you can look at the chart and identify where we are on the chart as we're moving along.
How can you find out the frequency here instead of here?
You can do the same thing here. You hit the cursor.
Yeah.
You go up. You go left. Hit enter.
Yeah.
And it's going to give you Stewart. And then you can scroll down to frequencies. And the frequencies will show you the ATIS, the ground, the tower, all the frequencies.
1 to 1.0.
1 to 1.0. Now I want to show you on the chart too. I want to show you on the chart where it is. So you can see it. I think that pillow's too big. Yeah. I think he needs a pillow by about 2-3 inches. This is 6 inches. It's like a pillow. It's like he's like a seat cushion, you know.
שיחתוך אותה לחצי.
תוך לך לחצי.
אפשר, לא? אפשר לעשות לה משענת קטנה?
אפשר הכל.
את החצי שהוא יחתוך, שישים אותה פה.
כן, למעלה ולמטה.
כן.
כן, הוא יחבר לך אותה גם ביחד. אתה יכול לשים אותם ככה.
כן.
You want to be comfortable. When you sit, you want to be able to reach the controls.
לא, זה הפילוט